Hello everybody, welcome back to the REALME channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix apps crashing or not opening on your REALME 16. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and we want to clear the app's data. So we need to go and open up settings, scroll down in the settings until we see apps, and here in the apps we want to go to app management. Now you need to find your app that's crashing, and for example I'll choose let's say Accu Battery. Here I'll go to storage usage, and we got the data, we got the cache. I wasn't using this app, so I do not have a cache, but once we want to clear the data, we click clear data, delete, and it will also get rid of the cache. So we're basically just doing that. Now what are we going to do is we're going to go over to the app, click force stop, and once we click force stop we will be able to use it. Now we want to check for any updates in the Play Store, so just open up the Play Store and here's search for Accu Battery. And now once you click it, you want to make sure that you're on the latest version, that there's no update button. We can open up the app. I'm going to provide the privacy password, and as you guys can see, the app is working properly. We got the calibration and etc, so it works just fine. If it's not still working for you, what you guys can do is reinstall it. So to reinstall the app, you click uninstall right here, and you need to click install, but as you guys can see, this is a locked app for me, so I cannot do that. So that's what you guys can do to fix your apps crashing or not opening. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.